Yep. Oh my goodness. Here you go. These ones. Something must be trapping those ones.
Our cars are right at the front, aren't they?
Oh, I hope so. Oh, here's look at that. Look at that.
That's the silver one. No, it's not. It's another one.
Where did it come from?
I don't know. Here goes the silver one.
Oh, that is horrible.
There's some guys out here taking cameras too.
There's a wheelie bin. Oh.
So this car might have been saved by being pushed up.
I don't think you call that saved, Margie.